now we have the foundation of primary key. We start from the homework. Here we have the homework of math. Start from the question number one. Okay.
What is an angel? Angel is
Angle.
Oh yeah, angle. Angle is the space between two joint lines.
Yeah.
Next, if the sun rises at the east, which directions you have to face? Which direction should you face to see the sunrise? So, because the sunrise is rise from the east, so B is the east also.
Okay.
Next, the ball is under the table. Where is it? So that's where C.
Where's the ball? The ball is under the table. Where's the ball under the table? Okay. Question one.
Which of these angles are greater than a right angle? So the answer is greater than a right angle. This one, sir. This one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next. Which of these angles are made by two right angles? Circle them. So this one, sir, because they have the 180 degrees, right?
So how many answers? Which one?
One and two.
Two answers, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, here. The rose garden is to the back of the rose hotel. So rose garden is here. So the rose garden is to the south of the rose hotel.
Where's the rose hotel?
This one, rose hotel. Can you see it?
Okay. To the south or to the north?
The rose garden, this one rose garden, is to the south.
Oh, yeah.
The rose hotel, but to the north, to the garden museum. From the rose garden to the garden museum is the north.
Okay.
And then the government is to the north of the review. So where's the review? This one. Review. So here we have this called fitness center.
Fitness center. Okay.
Okay, next the black is to the east of the review. It means the physics museum to the east.
Yeah. Okay. Next we move to Matematika. Question number one.
Question number one. Ada 3 pohon durian, tiap pohon berbuah 4. Berapa jumlah durian dari ketiga pohon tersebut? Berarti 3 dikali 4 sama dengan 12. Jawabannya C. Lanjut nomor 2. Pak Ferry membeli 50 coklat lalu membagikan kepada 10 anak secara merata. Berapa coklat yang diterima setiap anak? Berarti 50 kita bagi hasilnya 10. Sorry. Pak Ferry memberi 50 coklat lalu membagikannya kepada 10 anak secara merata. Berapa coklat yang diterima? 5 coklat.
5 coklat. Oke.
Kak Amin adalah pramugara di toko kue yang menyusun 8 pak donat. Jika tiap pak berisi 6 donat, berapa donat yang disusun ke dalam? Berapa donat yang disusun Kak Amin sebelumnya? Berarti 8 dikali 6 sama dengan 48. Satu coba ini. Ibu memiliki 100 permen terdiri dari 64 permen jeruk dan sisanya permen kacang. Ada 4 yang akan mendapat permen secara 4 anak yang akan mendapat permen secara merata. Berapa banyak permen jeruk dan permen kacang yang diterima anak-anak? Berarti 100, 6 diantaranya ada 64 permen jeruk, 64 dibagi dengan 4 anak, 64 bagi 4 hasilnya 16. Sisanya 100 kurang 64, 36 dibagi dengan 4 dapat 9. Jadi jawabannya B. Bentuk pembagian dari pengurangan berikut adalah 20 dibagi 4 hasilnya 5.
Ini bagaimana choice?
Biasa?
Ini soal nomor 1.
Jadi di sini ada pembagian dengan pengurangan berulang. Nah, 8 dibagi 4 kita akan kurangkan 8 dengan 4 sampai hasilnya 0 sel. 8 dikurang 4 hasilnya 4. 4 dikurangkan lagi dengan 4 maka hasilnya 0. Nah, jadi 8 dibagi 4 sama dengan 2. Berapa kali kita kurangkan 4 nih?
Oke. Okay, now we move to science. Question number 1.
Question number 1. What are the suitable conditions that are needed by plants to be healthy? It is light, water, and right temperature. Next, a florist places a plant A in a cold room and plant B in a warm room. After 10 days, the plant B is taller than plant A. Based on the florist's observation, what can concluded? It is plants grow better in warmer climate. Next, what is the purpose of greenhouse? The purpose of greenhouse is so the answer is C, to maintain suitable conditions for plants to grow well.
Yeah.
Next, what are the walls of the roof greenhouse usually made of? It is made of glass. Next, number 1. Means how, okay, temperatures means how hot or cold something is. Seedling or seedling? Seedling is the act of planting or spreading seeds, and then accurately means doing something correctly and exactly. When a plant does not get water, it will wilt.
Okay. Question number 1.
Question number 1. Okay, what is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a building that a greenhouse is a building where the roof and the wall is made by glass. So this is how the farmer maintain the temperature inside by getting sunlight. Okay, next. If you place 2 pots with plants in different places, the first pot is placed with enough light and the second pot is placed with no light. Could you predict what will happen to the both of the plants? Okay, so if we put the first pot in with the enough light, the plant will be grow healthier and it will grow well. But if we put it in a place that they didn't get enough light, they cannot do photosynthesis well because they didn't get enough light. It can make them wilt and slowly die.
Okay.
Next, what do plants need to stay healthy? Okay, so the plants need water, sunlight, a good soil, and nutrition to stay healthy. Next, how does water affect plant growth? Water affects plant growth to do the photosynthesis or make their own food. For example, like the parts of the plant, the roots is for absorb the water from the soil, and then those stems will transfer them to the leaves and other parts so that the plants can make their own food. So without water, they can survive.
Okay. Yeah, I think that is clear for the homework. Now we just move to so here we have the book of science, and for the science as well, it will be taken from
59.
yeah. Okay, wait for a second. Let me open the book first. Yeah, 56
Yes.
and 64.
Yeah, actually. Actually, in the page 56, it is only about the experiments and about like science project. So we go to the, yeah, we have some like how do, why difference in water or something like that. So we go to
Oh, this one.
parts of human in page 64.
So, this one.
Understand? So we go to the parts of human like in page 64, human organs.
Okay, this is we have a question here. Temperature. Temperature is something that tell us or explain about how cold or how hot something is. So, what is the function of temperature and how is temperature affect the plant growth?
Okay, so temperature help the plant growth. So, for example, if the way is sunny, if the weather is sunny, it means the temperature is high. But if the weather is rainy, the temperature is lower than the sunny one. So it means if in the sunny day we put our plant in the sunlight and it can grow well and make our plant become healthier because it can reproduce well. But for the rainy day, if we put our plant in the rainy day and our plant is not really growing when we put them in the high temperature. So it means lots of water can destroy our plant also. And if we put also in the low temperature and for example in a dark room like that.
Okay, so now we just move to this is the new chapter actually, new
New part.
new part about human organs.
Yes.
So we have a thinking here, and please explain this one. How do you explain this one to the students? Do I breathe differently when I'm sleeping?
Do I breathe differently when I'm sleeping? No, right? We don't breathe differently when we're sleeping because we still breathe with our lungs that help us to breathe.
So is it the answer is here?
No.
But we have the different rate, right? I mean, there's a different way to breathe, or the different rate to breathe when we are doing the activity and when we are sleeping. So, I mean, differently. I think this kind of question is not really clear. Do I breathe differently when I'm sleeping? So, what is your answer, Nicole?
No.
No, but I think this answer is, if we check again in the answer key, the answer must be yes, actually.
But I'm sorry, I also studied for it. But there's no answer for this. It's only for the cooking camp. There's only like for the what is it? Activity book and some assessment in the end of the chapter. For this one,
Different in here is about rate. How fast or how slow you are.
I mean, when we're running and
Yeah, if we compare it when we are doing the activity and when we are sleeping, there must be a big difference of our rate of sleeping, right? Yeah. In doing the activity, our rate will be the rate of our breathing will be increased.
Yes. And when we're sleeping, it will be decreased and become more relaxed.
Because we need relaxing in the sleeping time. Okay. Yeah, I think that is all for the science. Maybe I will open this. Can we just move to vocabularies? Okay, for the first vocabularies, here we have reflection from math.
That's from the last, that's for this week. Different.
Oh yeah, okay.
the lines that join the other lines. For example, like the right angle, it is the two lines that connect each other that create 90 degrees.
In direction,
Direction is tells you where something is. So for example, in the compass we have for main direction, that is north, south, east, and west.
half turn,
Half turn is the turn that is make 90 degrees. Half turn 180 degrees. 180 degrees of turn. So it's not a straight line.
quarter turn,
Quarter turn, it is like making the turn of 90 degrees, like a right angle.
okay, now science, we have seeding,
Seedling is the seed of the plant when we put them in the soil, that is, and you water them well, often it will grow well.
temperature,
Temperature is telling you how hot or cold something is. So for example, we have like sunny or rainy. When sunny, the temperature is high, and when rainy, it is low.
will,
Will is, for example, when you didn't take care of your plant, so you don't put them in front of the sunlight, and you didn't watering them properly, your plant will be slowly wilt.
finish. I think that's all for our information. Thank you.